Are you wondering how many ways you can log in to GetResponse? Well, you're in the right place because I'll break down the different ways to access your GetResponse account, and we'll look at some potential alternatives for your business needs at the end. Stick around to find out the best option that might actually save you time and effort. First off, let's cover the basics. The most obvious way to log into GetResponse is through the official website. Simply go to getresponse.com, click on the login button, and enter your email and password. This is the traditional method that works for most users. You'll need a valid account to get started, but it's a quick and easy process. Next, you have the option to log in using social media accounts. GetResponse allows you to connect your Facebook or Google account for a faster, one-click login. This can save you the hassle of remembering another password. While this can be super convenient, it also ties your GetResponse account to your social media, which may not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're looking for privacy or separation between your business and personal accounts. Then, there's the mobile app login. If you prefer working on the go, GetResponse has a mobile app available for both iOS and Android. This way, you can manage your email campaigns, check your analytics, and keep track of your subscribers right from your phone. Just open the app, enter your login details, and you're good to go. While it's handy, the mobile app can sometimes feel limited compared to the desktop version, so it's not always the most efficient if you're handling complex tasks. The fourth thing is using two-factor authentication. For enhanced security, GetResponse supports two-factor authentication. This requires you to log in with your username and password, then enter a code sent to your phone or email to complete the login process. It adds an extra layer of protection, but it can slow down your access, especially if you don't have your phone on hand. So, it's a trade-off between security and convenience. Now, let's talk about some downsides. While GetResponse does offer multiple login methods, it's not the most intuitive experience. The mobile app, for instance, lacks some of the advanced features available on the desktop version, and managing multiple social logins can create confusion for teams or users who prefer keeping work separate from personal accounts. At this point, you might be wondering, is there a better option for my business? And that's where alternatives come into play. There are other email marketing tools out there with more streamlined and flexible login methods. Some of these platforms offer smoother integration with other software and better mobile experiences. One such option is ActiveCampaign. With its robust features and simpler, more secure login options, it might be a better fit if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution. ActiveCampaign also offers a free trial, so you can test it out without committing. Lastly, I've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to ActiveCampaign, and you'll get access to some benefits that aren't available elsewhere. So, if you're ready to explore alternatives and find the best solution for your email marketing, make sure to check it out. And remember, these other tools may just be the key to achieving your business goals with simpler login options and better features. So, if you're looking to streamline your process and boost your efficiency, I highly recommend trying out ActiveCampaign along with the other fantastic tools I've mentioned. Trust me, it could make a big difference in how you manage your email campaigns. Don't miss out.